Amoy nakaka-joyful!
This portion is brought to you by HCS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Isa ka ba sa mga nag-iisip o naghahanap ng mga paraan upang epektibong makapag-aral at hindi mag-cramming sa iyong mga gawain? Ngunit nahirapan ka dahil maraming factors na umahadlang kabilang na ang iyong oras. May isang teknik na inirekomenda dyan ang mga eksperto. Ito ang tinatawag na Pomodoro Technique na nagsimula kay Francesco Cirillo kung saan ito daw ay isang time management method na tutulong upang makapag-boost ng iyong productivity at magamit mo ang iyong oras ng tama, lalo na sa iyong pag-aaral. Ayon sa eksperto, ang mga hakbang sa Pomodoro Technique ay ang pagpili ng mga kailangan mong gawin sa loob ng itinakdang oras. Karaniwan na ang 25 minutes upang mag-aral. Matapos ang oras na itinakda ay magkakaroon ka ng short break at mag-set muli ng oras hanggang makumpleto mo ang isang oras o depende sa plano mo. Mabisang paraan umano ito upang magkaroon ng focus sa mga bagay na dapat mong gawin sa loob ng isang oras. Ayon pa sa pag-aaral, ang ideya na ito ay ang pagkakaroon ng organisasyon sa mga gawain at ito ay upang madaling ma-digest ang iyong inaaral. Iba-iba man tayo ng pamamaraan sa pag-aaral at ang ilan ay gumagawa rin ng kanilang sariling bilang ng oras. Depende sa mas nakatutulong sa kanila upang magkaroon ng focus sa mga dapat nilang gawin. Mahalaga pa rin ay magkaroon ka ng oras upang mag-aral at oras din upang makapagpahinga.
This portion is brought to you by HCS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Hello, Washi! Laundry day na naman!
Yay! Anong meron?
Mancha ng chocolate,
Oh.
putik, may libag pa!
Kaya natin yan! With Pride Washing Machine Detergent, may triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at madupit na dumit mancha. Kaya easy-easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon!
All you need is pride. All you need is pride. ACS.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulong ang damit.
Charm Fab Car. Bangong kumakabloom. Tanggal amoy kulog sa bango ng charm.
Kaya gamit ko, Charm Fab Con with Bloom Fresh technology. Kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries. Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong kumakabloom sa charm.
Charm Fab Con.
ACS.
Sa lahat ng bagay, simula pa lang, siguraduhing max protection na. Kasi pag kulang ang proteksyon, baka madaling masira. Sa ngipin, dapat may max protection din. Max Alaga ng Unique Toothpaste. With Max Protect Formula, helps stop cavities before they start, while keeping breath fresh. Try Unique Maximum Fluoride Protection. Para Max Alaga, Max Protektado.
ACS. Galalala Fabcon. Galalala Fabcon. Ang bango ng sampayan. Tara na magsayawan.
Kalafabcon, amoy nakaka-joyful!
Galalala Fabcon. Galalala Fabcon. Ang bango ng sampayan. Tara na magsayawan.
Kalafabcon, amoy nakaka-joyful!
Nagbabalik po ang programang KMS Doro sa DZRX oras natin 4:23 ng hapon. Narito na ang inyong paboritong segment ni Partner Cory. Happy, healthy, at iba pa. Go ahead, partner.
Iba pa. Pag-usapan po natin ang off-balance ka ba? Uy, na-off-balance ka ba, kababayan? Paano panatilihin ang balanse ng bawat isa? Ayan, matanong ko nga, kamusta po ang inyong mga balde? Alam nyo ba na 3 ang balde ang nasa buhay po natin? Ang balde ng trabaho, ang balde ng pamilya at kaibigan, at ang balde ng sarili. Pag-usapan natin mamaya. Ito naman, ano ba yung mga iba't ibang uri ng ating balanse? Para manatili ang ating balanse, ito ang dapat po nating gawin. Number 1, kumilos araw-araw. Kahit 10 minutong lakad, pag-uunat o exercise. Okay? Nakakatulong po ito sa ating core. Alam nyo yung core ang ating bituka, yung mga muscles sa gitna ng ating katawan. Pag hindi malakas ang ating core, magkakaroon tayo ng problema sa ating balance. Number 2, kailangan tumayo ng maayos. Kasi kapag hindi po tayo hindi diretso po ang ating balikat, syempre magkakaroon po tayo ng balance problem. Pangatlo, kapag pagod, kailangan magpahinga. Kasi ang tulog mismo ay ensayo na rin sa balanse. Malinaw ba yan? Ito naman, mental at emotional na balanse. Kailangan mag-yes or no sa mga bawat hakbang natin sa buhay. Sabihin ang oo sa mga bagay na nagpapasigla sa atin at hindi sa mga nakakaubos ng ating lakas. Alright? We have to learn the power of yes and no. Okay? Hindi ka makakapagbigay kung ubos ka na. Alright? Isa-isahin lang. Ang sabay-sabay na gawa ay nakakagulo sa sarili. Kaya one at a time. Pangatlo, kailangan mag-self-check. 2 beses sa isang araw, tanungin ang sarili, kamusta ako ngayon? You have to ask yourself, how are you now? Kasi ito ay isang check para sa ating sarili. Ito. Kailangan bigyan ng atensyon ang mga issues sa buhay natin. O, balik tayo sa balde. Yung balde ng trabaho, balde ng pamilya at kaibigan at sarili, kapag may isang balde na napabayaan, tutumbak ka. Lalong-lalo na kung pinabayaan natin ang sarili. Okay? Ang mga maliliit na kasiyahan, tulad ng pag-inom ng kape, yung musika, paglubog ng araw, pagsikat ng araw, yung pagdadasal. Ang balanse hindi lang sa malalaking goal sa buhay, nasa maliliit na sandali rin na nagpapaalala sa iyo kung sino ka. Kaya give yourself time and attention at bigyan ng paumanhin ang sarili. Lahat po tayo hindi perfecto. Okay? Lahat tayo merong imperfections. Ang balanse ay yung marunong kang bumangon at mag-adjust sa buhay. At ang ating positive thought ngayong araw na ito ay, ang balanse ay yung marunong kang bumalik sa gitna tuwing nauuga ka. In short, balance is centering myself when I feel shaken.
Ganda nun.
Healthy at iba pa.
In other words, pagka medyo na disalign ka ng konti, ang
Yes.
importante, nakakabalik ka.
Balik sa sentro.
Yon. Napakaganda. Abangan nyo ang poster at mga detalye ng Happy Healthy at iba pa. I-share po namin sa Facebook page ng DZRH. Kaya mo yan. Sa oras na 4:28 ng hapon, we're going a quick break. At nakakabang na ang kanyang mga kausap at mga special guests ngayong hapon, Partner Cory.
Mula sa
Sabay po mga
Canada.
kaibigan. We'll be right back.
Number
Ang bango ng sampayan, tara na magsayawan.
Calafabcon, amoy nakaka-joyful.
Ang bango ng sampayan, tara na magsayawan.
Calafabcon, amoy nakaka-joyful.
maagang balitaan, maagang usapan sa mga issue at balita. Kasama si Kuya Angelo Palmones sa Magandang Umaga Pilipinas. Mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes.
Gabi sa lahat ng mga nanonood at nakikinig sa atin. Thank God it's
Good evening, Metro at Mega Manila.
Magandang gabi Pilipinas, Metro and Mega Manila. Pilipinas Extension sa DZRH at RHTV.
Sa pool, Sabado.
Gabi ng misteryo ngayon pong Sabado, ano po?
Alamin ang mga maiinit na isyung pambayan, mga balitang kailangan mong malaman, usapin sa pamahalaan, politika, ekonomiya at kabuhayan. Ito ang mga dapat mong malaman, pakialaman at pag-uusapan dahil kayo ang tinig ng mamamayan dito sa Damdaming Bayan. Live sa DZRH Radio, DZRH TV at DZRH Digital. Kasama sinalakay Deo Macalma at Elaine Apit. Araw-araw, Lunes hanggang Biyernes. Damdaming Bayan.
Ating mga eksperto dito lang sa Expert Opinion. Ito ang The Better News.
TNVS, trending and kwento, iba't ibang anggulo. Dito sa Point.
Bawat pananagutan ating tatalakayin dito sa Hoy. Bawal yan.
Filipino, dito lang sa DZRH. Match up entertainment and lifestyle.
Ito ang MBC TV Network News. Una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.
Tambalang Anthony Taberna at Jerry Baha ang gigising sa inyong umaga dahil lalatay ang humahagupit na diskusyon at komentaryo Lunes hanggang Biyernes sa 2x2.
Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito po ang inyong balerina ng bayan, si Lisa Makuha Elizalde, na nag-aanyaya sa inyong samahan kami at ang aming mga espesyal na panauhin para sa kalahating oras ng masayang kwentuhan sa aming programang Art to Art, kung saan ang usapang sining at kultura ay para sa lahat. Huwag kaliligtaan, tuwing linggo, alas 3:30 ng hapon, dito lamang sa DZRH Radio, DZRH TV, at via online streaming.
Sa oras natin 4:32 ng hapon, nagbabalik po ang KMS sa DZRH. Ibabahagi at ipakilala na ni Partner Cory ang ating mga special guests ngayong hapon who are all over the world. Go ahead, Cory.
Yes. Mga kababayan, gusto nyo ba magkaroon ng isang college degree mula sa Canada at UK na hindi kinakailangan bumiyahe doon at tumira doon? Anong sagot ng buong Pilipinas? Oh, yes, I want it. Okay, please meet our Filipino-loving friends sa Canada, ang aking matalik na kaibigan na si Ruby P. Parry. Siya po ay CEO and co-founder ng AdEven Global Education Limited. At siya po ay isang estudyante na naging graduate din ng Providence University College. Hi, Ruby!
Magandang hapon, Sister Cory. Magandang hapon po kay Sir Elmer at kay Sir Ricky at sa lahat po ng mga viewers and listeners ng DZRH. Mabuhay po tayong mga Pilipino.
Alam niyo,
Is it morning there? Morning where you are?
It's afternoon here in the UK. I'm from the UK, yeah.
Okay. UK, okay. You're like, 6 hours behind? Mga
7 hours. 7 hours behind. Yeah.
So it's about 10 in the morning there right now?
Yes, 10.
Okay. Welcome. You want to introduce the others, Cory, before?
Yes. Kasama rin po natin si Miss Shekina Glory Macalanda. Siya po ay Director for Marketing and Business Operations ng AdEven Global Education Limited. Hi, Shekina.
Hello po, good afternoon po sa lahat ng ating mga taga DCRH po dyan. And hello po, Miss Cory, Sir Ricky, and Sir Elmer po.
At
Thank
kasama rin
Shakina,
po,
just to let you guys know, we're on live on radio nationwide. We're on Facebook Live, DCRH News, and we're on YouTube Live, and all the other cable carriers nationwide. Okay, pakilala mo, Cory, the other two
meron
guests.
pa tayong mga magigiting na mga guests. Si Nicole Barnabe, siya po ay associate din ng Providence Global.
Okay.
At si Sir YJ Montalvo, Associate Director of Student Life of Providence Global.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon from us here from Winnipeg, Canada.
Oh, wow. So we're really from all over the world today. Okay, go ahead, Cory.
Okay, Ruby, alam ko, umpisahan po natin si Ruby. Alam po ninyo, successful na businesswoman si Ruby. Kasama niya ang kanyang magiting at mabait na asawa.
Let's make him greet. Good afternoon, sir. From Manila.
Mabuhay ang Filipinos.
Si Dr. Greg Parry.
Welcome to the show, Greg.
It's really good to be here. Thank you. Such an honor.
All right. Okay.
Si Dr. Greg ay siya ay Doctor of Behavioral Psychology and co-founder ng Add Even Global Education Limited. Hello, Dr. Greg.
Okay, get it rolling. Go ahead, Cory.
I want to thank him for taking good care of my friend Ruby.
Okay.
Well, she takes very good care of me too.
Okay. Go ahead, Ruby. Go ahead, Cory.
Alam po ninyo, napaka-successful na businesswoman si Ruby. She's really an exceptional businesswoman, but she decided to uproot herself from the Philippines and move to another world and another life, and she's so happy. So she has to share with us the secret of her success. And one of them is Add Even Global Education. Ruby, you were once a student, you were estudyante ka noon, and you graduated, right?
Yes, Miss Cory.
Go ahead. Tell us your story. Why did you partner with Providence University College?
Yes, Miss Cory, but first I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my friend, Miss Cory. She's really an inspiration to me and she really helped me sa mga decisions ko sa buhay. Sobrang thankful po ako sa kanya. And yeah, I decided to move to Canada last 2021 during the pandemic time.
Yeah.
And when I came there, I was hoping that I would land to, a managerial position because in the Philippines, I was a CEO for 20 years and an HR practitioner for 27 years. And then when I was applying for a managerial position, hindi ako natatanggap. And most of our kababayans, they were telling me, Ruby, bawal lang maarte pag nasa abroad, magsimula ka sa baba. That's what they were telling me. So magsimula ka, maglinis ka, or magkuro ka. But then I was telling myself, that's not what I want. Because I know I am a Filipino, I am talented, and I deserve to perform on the global stage.
Exactly.
But then the thing that I discovered was I need a pathway. So I have to get an education, gain an education that is globally or Canada recognized. And when I took this master's degree from Providence University, I felt like the door of the world opened for me. Because
fantastic.
I had a lot of job offer, managerial positions. I became an HR consultant also in Canada, USA, and I worked as a business operations. So the world really opened for me because of this pathway that I found. And this is from Providence University College.
Ayan. At gusto niya i-share sa buong Pilipinas. Tama ba?
Yes. And dahil ako po ay avid fan ng mga Pilipino, avid fan po ako nating mga talentadong mga Pilipino, pinagmamalaki ko po ang resilience natin, ang sipag at ang galing. So sabi ko, when Providence University asked me for a partnership, would you like to offer this to your co-Filipinos? Yes. I prayed for it, but then I asked the Lord, do you want me to do this? But because my desire is to not just do business, this is like a mission-driven business. My desire is to raise the bar of the Philippines and to share this opportunity to my co-Filipinos to perform on the global stage too, because I know we deserve it. That's why we are now here. Providence is now there in the Philippines, and we are offering a global Masters of Management for all working professionals in the Philippines.
Meron na kayong opisina dito. You have an office.
Na po kami. Sa BGC po ang aming office. Miss Shekinah will announce the address later.
Shekinah, okay. Shekinah, please share with us this wonderful news.
Yes po. Hello po again. So we have our office, Philippine office here in BGC. It's located po in LG Soft, 16th floor in High Street, Corporate South Tower, Tower 2, which is malapit lang po siya sa Market. So you can actually go there from Mondays to Fridays po. And we are open din naman po every Saturdays if you have work. So we can actually talk with you and give you some information that will really change your life, which is this Global Master's degree po in Providence University College.
Gaano, alam ko na pwede yan, lahat online, di ba? Correct?
Yes po. Online po siya, 100% online. But we do have our Filipino mentor po that is also situated in BGC to really guide you and assist you. So hindi po siya totally papabayaan ka na online lang lahat. Ayan.
At saka, and I also saw here that you also have a staggered payment plan. That is
Yes po, we do have. Actually, we have 3 options po for the payment. We have the full payment po, which is directly po sa Providence University College. And then we also have our installment, which is a staggered payment po. And then also, we are partnering actually po with banks here in the Philippines for study now, pay later para mas mapadali po sa mga Pilipino po natin. So currently po, we are tying up with some banks, and then we will gonna inform you po kung gusto nyo po ng free consultation. Our consultation po is free. So kahit ilang oras po tayong mag-usap dyan, free na free po yan. So we can actually give all the informations that you really need. So
may contact numbers po kayo para ma-share na ngayon din.
Yes po, we actually have email address which is sm.marketingdirector@adevenglobaleduc.com. We also have our Viber po, WhatsApp, and you can call us through our contact numbers po, 0949-896-5246. And we also have our Facebook page po. Facebook page which is Adeven Providence Global PH. We also have our Instagram po and TikTok, which is same lang po yung yung name po namin doon.
Ulitin po natin yung Facebook at Instagram, Adeven. Go ahead, please.
Adeven Providence Global PH po.
Yan. Kasi kailangan ulitin kasi if not, tatawag na naman sila pagkatapos. Anong ulit yung number? O yung number ulit, yung contact number niyo ulit?
Opo, the contact number po again, 0949-896-5246.
Cory, I was struck by the, what is the course exactly that they will enroll in and what will they finish?
YJ and, can we ask?
Who can answer? What is the course and how long is it going to take? Kasi you mentioned that for working people, correct? Ruby and
Nicole
Shekinah?
and Associate Dean and
is it every night? What is the course like?
We're offering a Master of Management.
Okay.
That's self-paced and it's expected to take between 18 months and 24 months generally.
Okay.
But you can make it shorter if you want to do more faster. You can make it longer if you want to take your time and really immerse yourself. And the Master of Management is designed for working professionals because it's competency-based education. And what that means is that people will be learning the material and using the material so that they can really understand it. They're going to apply it at work so they can understand it right away. Because one of the issues, of course, with university education sometimes is that it can be too theoretical.
Correct.
We're making sure that people are actually acquiring these management competencies.
And they can use it in their work as they seek higher education.
Yes.
It's applicable to their work. What a fantastic formula. What a fantastic approach. And online, meaning they will learn it online even if they're in the Philippines and the program is abroad. It's all online.
While they're earning their masters.
You're getting a Canadian degree while you're still in the Philippines. So it's
fantastic.
The best of both worlds.
Fantastic. This is perfect, Cory, for those who want to go up the ladder.
Exactly.
Am I right, Ruby?
Aspiring leaders.
Yeah, because I was very inspired with the opening spiel of Ruby that she wanted to achieve more in life. And that's why we have this program, Kaya Mo Yan, for the benefit of Ruby's husband and the foreigners in our chat today. Kaya Mo Yan simply says, you can do it.
Yes, you can do it. Yes, you can.
So we're inspired by this, guys. Go ahead, Ruby.
In addition, I was 54 when I started it. And then after taking it, I got a lot of job offer. So it's not
you didn't age much anymore from your 54, huh?
Thank you very much.
Is it the weather in London, Mr. Parry, or unfortunately the World Cup is not too kind on England, but I'm sure Ruby is living a less stressful life there. Go ahead, Ruby.
Yes. I am. I'm very happy here and life here is peaceful. And good news po sa ating mga Pilipino, yung Global Masters of Management, there are 2 tracks. Isa lang po, kung tinatanong niyo po kanina, ano ba yung course? We call it course, sa Canada po, we call it program.
Okay.
So, what's the program? Ang program po ay Global Masters of Management, but there are 2 tracks. Ano yung 2 tracks? Ang isa po para sa mga HR professionals. Ang good news pa po sa mga HR professionals, kapag tinake na to, magkakaroon na po sila ng accreditation sa CPHR, the Chartered Professional Human Resource Management. And ang isa naman pong track ay para sa mga managers na non-HR. General po ito, general leadership like engineers, managers, saan iba-iba man pong sector, pwede po nila itong kunin. And then after nito, pwede silang ma-promote. At ang kagandahan po nito, habang nag-aaral sila, practical application po sa trabaho nila. So magbe-benefit din po ang kanilang mga employer. Kasi maa-apply nila sa employer nila yung kanilang natututunan. And at the same time, syempre po tataas ang tas ng kanilang edukasyon at ng knowledge na makukuha na. I really enjoyed it. I learned so much from it and I am applying it to my businesses right now. So sobra po itong beneficial sa mga Filipinos.
Take note, partner, sinabi niya, my businesses. Hindi lamang isa.
which is where we wanna where we wanna bring the Filipinos, right? To own their own businesses. And they have to be better equipped, and this is a fantastic offer. Do companies also work with you so that they can offer scholarships to their employees? Is that something that the companies here can explore?
With different companies. Nicole?
So that's...
Yes po. It's a movie.
Go ahead.
So essentially, I'd like to see
YJ.
You are on the job training. So how the program would work is that, for example, you are working on a marketing project. So instead of just doing that on your own and not getting any support, you're actually going to draw from the program. And you have professors with expertise on this from a global background who's going to help you and give you the resources that you need to work on the current project that you have at work. And what's amazing about this too is the support system that you get, because aside from professors, you also have your academic career integration coaches who are in the Philippines. So essentially, their expertise is to teach you how to connect your studies with your work. So not only are you getting support from professors, you're also getting support from coaches who wants you to grow into your career. And again, the support is not just online. The support is in person. Your coach is in the Philippines. And at the same time, if you have problems, you just call them. They can give you academic advice. They can give you career advice. On top of this, we also have our online help desk. So even at night, if you have a problem and your coach is asleep, don't worry, we're awake here. We can help you online. You can call us.
Nobody sleeps. The world doesn't sleep anymore.
Full on support.
24/7. Si YJ, siya ay pumupunta sa Pilipinas. You come here, right, YJ, for the face-to-face student orientation?
Yes. So I will be coming this September. And we're going to have the orientation. We're going to make sure that you know how to use the platforms. We're going to make sure that we build that community, that sense of community, because again, Filipinos, we are dreamers, right? We are dreamers.
Yes.
We're willing to go outside of our comfort zone just to achieve our dream for our family, for our people, to make a positive impact. So you really need that support, because that dream, that going outside of your comfort zone, that's a lot, right? So we want to make sure that you have that support, not just from your professors, not just from your coaches, not just from the leadership, right? But you also get that support from your classmates. So you're not really doing this alone. Even though this is an online program, you get to meet with people in person too, and you get to network.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, tell us about this Providence University College, your offer of, what is this CAD 500 scholarship bursary? What is this, Ruby? I'm intrigued by what is in store for those who enroll before August 15. Go ahead.
Actually, what Providence is very generous, that since this is the very first intake in the Philippines, they are offering a discount. They call it scholarship bursary, but we call it discount for those who will enroll. For those who will enroll before August 15, actually, dinagdagan pa nila yan. Hindi lang 500 ngayon. 730 Canadian dollars na ang discount.
Oh, okay. This is the amount. This is the amount. It's now 700 Canadian dollars.
That's the discount that they are giving for you to be able to enroll, and especially those who are listeners and viewers of DZRH. You can just email us and you can say DZRH, and then we are very happy to give you this discount of 730 Canadian dollars.
Ang galing naman.
I read here also that there's a free laptop, mobile phone.
Maraming libre.
And then they can pay, expound on this, Ruby, pay their tuition in full or through the staggered payment, which was mentioned earlier. This is great.
Yeah, we give free, because Providence would like to make it sure that the student will have this 5-star study experience. So that's because this is online. So Providence is giving free laptop or mobile phone to all Filipino students.
Yes.
So sobrang generous at sobrang ganda po ng programa na ito. And staggered pa po ang payment. Aside from what Ms. Shikaina mentioned a while ago, that we are partnering with different banks for the study now, pay later. May mga meetings na po siya, and hopefully next week makukuha na namin yung approval. And meron pa po tayong tinatawag na staggered payment from Providence mismo po ito. You will not need to pay in full. You can pay staggered po. Parang 8 months po siya na pwede niyong bayaran.
Wow.
8 months to 12 months. 8 months to 12 months na pwede niyo pong spread ang pagbabayad. Alam niyo naman po tayo, di ba, ang gusto natin, magamit pa natin ang pera.
Yes.
Bago natin siya So, lahat po yan kasi YJ po is a Filipino too. So, he made it sure that the program, the Student Support Service, is aligned with Filipino culture. And alam niya po yung mga needs natin. Kaya, he really developed the student support services in a way that will benefit all the Filipino students.
Well, quickly, I'd like to segue to Emmer over here. You know, our co-anchor here, Emmer, is very involved in alternative learning. Yeah. And maybe when YJ is in Manila one of these days, we can show him what we're doing on the side together with the LaSalle community. There's probably somewhere there that the alternative learning students can also, in the future, connect with your school, Ruby.
YJ, what can you say about this? YJ is also LaSallian. So, YJ, what's your about
he made the correct choice.
I am also LaSallian. I graduated from DLSC.
Yeah, he'd rather be green than blue. Okay, YJ. Yes. We can invite you to Emmer's alternative learning system.
No hazing. Okay, Green Archers. But I have a question, Ruby. Because this is broadcast nationwide as well as internationally through DZRH network. What if there are other Filipinos from different overseas Filipino communities that would like to go?
Yes, that's a good question.
Yeah.
Actually, Sis Cory, this is a very good question kasi yan po yung heart desire ko rin na I know there are some overseas Filipino workers na nasa iba-iba pong bansa, especially sa Asian countries, who are working but not on their profession, not on their field. So kaya po ito ini-encourage namin sila na mag-take nito. Ito na po ang pagkakataon nila na makapagtrabaho sila sa field na pinaghirapan na nilang tapusin sa Pilipinas. So kung meron ka pong Master of Management na globally recognized, pagka-graduate mo, kung nasa ang lugar ka ngayon, pwede ka nang mag-apply as managerial position. Depende po kung matatanggap na, but accepted po to ng mga employer sa iba-iba pong panig ng mundo. So this is for them too. They can study. Ang pag-aaral po nito walang schedule. Nasa sa kanila po ito kung sila ay nagtatrabaho halimbawa ng 8 oras, kung gabi gusto na nilang matulog, doon po sila papasok sa portal at doon sila mag-aaral. So this is really designed for them too. Walang oras, walang schedule, depende sa iyo kung kailan ka papasok sa portal.
Ito, Ruby, meron na nagtatanong, Filipino from Hong Kong, magkano ba ang amount? In terms of, what currency do you want to use? In terms of pesos, how much is to enroll?
Actually po, before I answer that, sobrang lalagyan ko lang po ng comparison. Nung ako po nag-aral sa Canada as international student, Yestin is also an international student. He's also a Filipino-Canadian now. Ako po, personally, I'm talking about 2024, isang taon po gumastos po ako ng 46,000 Canadian dollar.
Which is
Bakit
about...
ako gumastos ng ganong kalaki? Bumayad ako ng bahay, pagkain, sobrang mahal. Mabuhay ka doon sa Canada na lahat gastos kasi ang kinikita ko peso pero gagastusin ko siya ng Canadian dollar. Pero ito po, same din po ng degree na makukuha na nakuha ko. Same din po na globally recognized. Pero ang tuition fee po ay para sa isang taon ay nasa 300,000 plus lamang.
Pesos.
Or sabihin po natin na 9,000 Canadian dollars, depende po sa conversion, sa currency rate. So kung ngayon po nasa 300,000 pesos lang po sa isang taon, ang magagastos nila.
That's less than 30,000 a month if you pay installment of 12.
Yes, opo.
Fantastic.
Pero sabi nga po ni Nicole, this is a 2-year program. So if you will finish it in 2 years, 9,000 will be doubled kasi po per year siya.
Correct.
But for those who have the time and, who are competent and who are very determined to finish it in as short as 12 months, edi isang taon lang po ang babayaran nila.
Masipag naman ang mga Pilipino
Yes,
Sorry.
masipag naman tayong mga Pilipino. Nung nag-aaral po ako sa Canada, nagtatrabaho pa rin po ako online. So talagang kayang pagsaba-sabayin.
Galing. Okay, Cory?
Okay, Ruby, anything else you'd like to add and the whole team? Shekinah, YJ?
Yeah, you have this opportunity to speak to our audience. Go ahead.
Yeah, I would like to thank YJ and Nicole because right now it's 3:30 a.m. in Canada, but they're joining us. Would you like to say more, Nicole and YJ?
Yeah, go ahead, Nicole.
It is 3:30 in the morning. But we're very excited about this program and very excited to launch it in the Philippines. So thank you for everything. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, you can count on us to help you get more people interested. YJ?
I do want to share about my experience. As we have mentioned already, I was a former international student and now I'm a Filipino-Canadian. I get to work in the field that I wanted to work in. Right? I'm in the educational field now. I'm pursuing my Doctor of Education at the moment. So what I just want to say is, first of all, to anybody who's interested about this and you're worried about an online program, you don't need to worry about this online program. The reason why is people actually know you, right? What's scary about online program is that it's so detached. People don't know you. If you have problems, nobody is there to support you. You send a random email and maybe somebody will help. But this one, no. You have coaches who knows you, who knows your background, who knows your aspirations, and they're here. They want to help you. They want to support you. And they are there in the Philippines, right? And the second thing is, just think about the return of your investment, right? We see this all the time. We see Filipinos with a wealth of work background in the Philippines, came from the top schools, and then they move here to Canada. And guess what? They don't really get to work on the field that they studied for and they worked in the field, right? But I've seen a lot of my fellow immigrants, one of the pathway to actually work in your field is Canadian education, right? You're investing your time now while you're still with your family back home. So I think definitely give it a shot. you want to do this big step in your life in the presence of people who support you, who understands you. And one thing I can say is that I'm so proud about the Providence team. Under Nicole is such an amazing associate dean. She really cares about her students, right? She's not an international student herself or a former international student herself, but the care and the love that she has, it's amazing, right?
Well, to stay up at 3 o'clock in the morning to speak to us is quite amazing.
That's how dedicated she is about her
Quite
students.
amazing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right? And you
Okay.
get that support. You get that from people who understand wanting to make your life better, pursuing a dream, going outside of your country. You get that support from those kinds of people who
Fantastic.
gets and who wants to see you succeed. Yeah.
We're so
Okay.
inspired by you, YJ.
Okay, Shekinah,
You're very infectious.
let's hear from Shekinah.
All right. So, yun po, we are open po from Mondays to Saturdays actually for the free consultation. It can be
Alright.
face-to-face or online. So, whenever you are po, kahit na nasa travel po kayo, we can actually do
Yeah.
the free consultations. And I know that Filipinos really love to travel. So, while you are traveling, you can also study anywhere. So, kahit po mga OFW or even those who love to travel, for example, nasa ibang bansa ka, you can actually take this master's degree, and after that po, if you want to go anywhere in the world, this master's degree is globally recognized, so you don't have to worry about anything. So yes, open po kami, and we hope to really talk with you and pag-usapan po natin yan kung ano po yung gusto po nating ma-achieve, dahil alam ko as Pilipino, kayang-kaya po natin lahat ng bagay po. Thank you.
Kaya mo yan.
Yeah.
Kayang-kaya.
Okay, Ruby.
Can I add, mga kapwa ko Pilipino, kaya natin to, hindi lang po ito para sa inyo, kundi para po ito sa pamilya nyo. Para po ito sa pamilya nyo, kayang-kaya po natin.
Maraming salamat.
For transparency po, I'd like to announce that no one from the Philippines, from AD-IBEN, will collect payment for the tuition fee. The payment of the tuition fee will only be made directly to Providence University
That's
College.
clear.
So
That's clear.
wala pong koleksyon na magaganap sa Pilipinas. Sa Providence po lahat diretso po ang bayad ng tuition fee.
Very good.
Ruby talaga. Oo, mga kababayan.
Congratulations.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
congratulations, Ruby, and to your Providence College University, and to the master's program that you're offering every Filipino all over the world. Di ba? Hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, kundi pati na din sa buong mundo. Sa lahat ng mga Pilipino.
All right.
Mabuhay ang Pilipino.
And have a good day wherever you are in the world. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay
Thank
po
you
kayo.
po. God bless you.
China, YJ, and Nicole.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so
bless
much.
you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
God bless.
I just love it when we have such inspiring stories, Cory. Thank you for this. Emmer and I are always looking for the story that we want to be different and show people that kaya mo yan, and here is a golden opportunity, a ticket that will give them education, a ticket for success.
Amen.
I think fantastic. Okay, just a few babati lang ako. Of course, babatiin ko lang kahapon, last Thursday, the Perfect Drive golf tournament of publisher Andeng Flores, who will be undergoing he's going to put a heart pacemaker. So good luck to you, publisher Andeng Flores, and congratulations to your organized golf tournament at Wakwak the other day. Cory?
Ayun lang, mga kababayan, bukas ng tanggapan ng Mutya ng Pilipinas.
Ayan.
For Mutya ng Pilipinas 2026. Malapit na po.
By the way, that's a good platform to promote Providence, the Mutya ng Pilipinas.
Yes,
that's a good platform.
Yeah.
Emmer? Okay, Emmer.
Nasa Baguio eh.
Nag-iinit signal.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Baguio.
He just wants to say, in a few hours, magko-concert na si Randy Santiago dyan sa ESLA, sa Green Valley, Baguio. Okay, mga kaibigan, 5:03 na po na hapon, overtime. Tandaan nyo, tuwing Sabado, alas 4 hanggang 5 na hapon. Ako po si Chairman Ricky.
Ako po si Cory Quirino.
At siya po si Emmer Gingon.
Ako si Emmer, the generous Magna Gingon.
Tandaan nyo, ang programang Kaya Mo Yan sa DZRH tuwing Sabado, ang paborito niyong programa, ang Thumbs Up, everybody! Kaya mo yan!
Happy weekend. God bless po.
Bye!
Kaya mo, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo, kaya mo. Laban lang, kaya mo yan.
Wow, ang saya. Isang barangay na labada, puro mancha pa. Goodbye, pahinga.
Mommy, isang laba lang yan sa Pride Bar Blue. May powerful stain-away enzymes na malupit sa dunit mancha.
At di masakit sa kamay.
Isang laba lang yan.
Hello, pahinga.
Hello, Pride Bar Blue. ACS.
Tanggaling-galing mo, Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato ng kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal ang sebo, tanggal ang bakterya.
Pahit para wala